a working Congress would have its kinks, agreements, and disagreements. We thank the minority, especially our good colleague here, including the Honorable Lee, for their perseverance, and the majority for their hard work, and especially the Committee on Appropriations for their diligence, hard work, and sleepless nights. Yung konting tinik kanina ay tiyak na magbubunga ng rosas. Rosas na mahalimuyak patungo sa mas pinaigting na samahan puno ng pagmamahalan. With this, Mr. Speaker, I move that we immediately transmit to the Senate House Bill 10800.
There is a motion to transmit House Bill number 10800, approved on third reading today, to the Senate. Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved.
Move to suspend, Mr. Speaker.